Get ready to say goodbye to expensive takeout and hello to your wallet and your health. We're serving up 10 delicious meals that are not only super cheap, but also require minimal effort. No need to be a master chef. Just follow our simple instructions and get ready to impress yourself with what you can create in your own kitchen. So grab your aprons, folks, because we were about to embark on a culinary journey that will leave you feeling like a 5-star chef without the 5-star price tag. This dish is a game changer for those nights when hunger strikes and you read too busy to whip up an elaborate feast. This dish is a true celebration of fresh flavors that will transport you to a world of culinary bliss without taxing your taste buds or your wallet. Picture this. Tender morning glory leaves stir-fried to perfection. It's fused with the irresistible aroma of garlic and finished with a splash of fish sauce for that umami punch. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, it's easier to make than you think. All you need is 1 bunch of morning glory, 2 cloves of garlic, a dash of oil, and a teaspoon of fish sauce. Wash the morning glory thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities, and then cut the stems into thin strips. Mince the garlic and heat the oil in a wok or frying pan on high heat. Throw in the garlic and stir-fry for about 30 seconds until it's fragrant and slightly toasted. Now it's time to introduce the morning glory. Continue stir-frying for 2 to 3 minutes until the leaves become wilted and tender. Finish it off with a dash of fish sauce and serve it piping hot. It's that simple. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This meal is anything but boring. But hold on to your aprons because we have 5 more budget-friendly and delicious meals coming your way. This dish is a vibrant explosion of flavors that will make your taste buds do the cha-cha slide. Imagine juicy tomatoes and savory eggs stir-fried to perfection and seasoned with a harmonious blend of soy sauce and sugar. It's a symphony of sweet, salty, and garlicky goodness that will leave you craving for more. To make this culinary masterpiece, you'll need about 10 cherry tomatoes, 2 large eggs, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sugar. Begin by slicing the tomatoes in half and removing any seeds. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk the eggs with soy sauce and sugar until they form a light, airy foam. Now heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the tomato halves and fry them until they release their juices and soften slightly. Now it's time to pour in the egg mixture and let it cook until the eggs are just set, but still moist. Avoid overcooking them, or else your dish could end up dry and rubbery. Serve this vibrant stir-fry over a nice bed of hot white rice, and prepare to be amazed at how such simple ingredients can create a flavor sensation. So if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that like button. It will make us very happy and keep us motivated to bring you more amazing content. In fact, it's so satisfying and nutritious that you will wonder why you have been doing it all along. Now, let's gather our humble ingredients. You'll need a pack of your favorite instant noodles. Yes, you heard me right. Instant noodles. They may not seem like the most gourmet addition to your pantry, but trust me, they're about to get a serious upgrade. For the egg, you'll need 1 large egg, which will provide a dose of protein and help transform this dish from humble beginnings to culinary heights. Next, let's talk about the veggies. Feel free to get creative here. Chopped cabbage, carrots, green onions, bean sprouts. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Just make sure to wash and chop them up finely, so they cook evenly and blend well with the noodles. Finally, we need some seasoning. A dash of soy sauce will add a rich, savory depth of flavor, while a sprinkle of black vinegar will provide a tangy kick. Now let's get cooking. Start by cooking your instant noodles according to the package directions. While the noodles are taking their bath, it's time to prep the veggies. Chop them up finely so they're ready to go once the noodles are drained. Once the noodles are cooked al dente, drain them and return them to the pot. Now it's time for the magic to happen. Crack the egg directly into the pot and gently stir it until it's cooked to your liking. Add the chopped veggies and continue to stir-fry everything together for a couple of minutes. This will ensure that the veggies are tender crisp and the egg is perfectly set. Now it's time to season with soy sauce and black vinegar. Give everything a final toss to coat the noodles and veggies evenly in the flavorful sauce. And voila, you've transformed humble instant noodles into a gourmet delight. It's quick, it's easy, and it's so good you'll want to make it again and again. Welcome back to QuickBudgetBites. Today's menu is a tribute to those nights when the fridge is looking a little bare and the pantry is your best friend. We are talking about transforming those humble pantry staples to culinary masterpieces that LL make you feel like Gordon Ramsay and save you enough money to buy him a round of beers. This dish is a symphony of flavors that will dance on your taste buds and leave you craving for more. The star of the show is, of course, the rice, which acts as a canvas for the bold and aromatic garlic to paint its deliciousness upon. Now here's the beauty of this recipe. It doesn't demand fresh, fancy ingredients. In fact, it welcomes leftovers with open arms. So if you have some rice hanging out in your fridge from last night's dinner, don't even bother cooking a fresh batch. Just dig in, my friend. As for the garlic, you'll need about 2 cloves worth to give this dish its signature punch. And don't worry if you don't have minced garlic handy. Just chop it up finely and trust me, the result will be well worth the tiny bit of extra effort. Now let's talk about the oil. We're keeping things simple and affordable with just 1 tablespoon of neutral oil like canola or vegetable oil. This will ensure that the garlic gets nice and toasty without burning or overpowering the delicate flavors of the rice. And finally, the soy sauce, the unsung hero of this dish, adding a depth of savory saltiness that ties everything together. About a tablespoon should do the trick, but feel free to add a little extra if you're feeling particularly salty. To top it all off, we're going to finish with 2 fried eggs, which not only add a protein punch, but also a creamy texture that contrasts beautifully with the fluffy rice. Now let's get cooking. Heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil shimmers, it's time to introduce our minced garlic. Now don't walk away just yet. You want to keep a close eye on the garlic to make sure it doesn't burn. Otherwise, your dish could end up tasting bitter. Gently fry the garlic until it becomes fragrant and slightly toasted. Be careful not to overdo it, or else you'll end up with a dish that tastes like burnt toast. Trust me, you don't want that. Now it's time to unveil the leftover rice. Spread it out in the pan to prevent clumping and break up any large grains. And while the rice is toasting to perfection, let's prepare our egg toppings. In a separate pan, fry your eggs sunny side up or scrambled, whatever floats your boat. Just make sure they're cooked through and ready to wow. Once the rice has absorbed all the garlic's deliciousness, it's time to season with soy sauce. Give it a gentle toss to coat the rice evenly. When it's all looking nice and toasty, it's time to plate up. Place a generous portion of the fried rice on a bowl, top it off with a fried egg. You've got yourself a gourmet meal that won't break the bank or your foodie pride. Yes, that's how good these recipes are. From cheesy pasta delights, 2 flavor-packed stir-fries, and dishes that LL make you question if they really are as easy as they sound. These recipes are not just budget-friendly, they're family-friendly too. So if you have picky eaters at home, consider this your secret weapon to serving up smiles alongside your meals. You might be surprised by the creativity these simple ingredients spark. So let's dive in. Starting off at number 10, we have the garlic fried rice. At number 9, we present to you the instant noodles with egg and veggies. And coming in at no 7, we have the stir-fried morning glory with garlic. We halfway through our list, and I bet you already drooling at the thought of these amazing recipes. Coming in at no 4, we have the tomato egg stir-fry. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Quick Budgets.